Hey AI enthusiasts! Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your one-stop shop for all things artificial intelligence. Today's news is huge. Grammarly, that incredibly popular AI writing assistant you may already use, just announced they're acquiring Coda. Think about that for a second. Grammarly, already a billion-dollar company, is making a power move. This isn't a small acquisition. It's a major play in the ever-expanding world of AI-driven productivity. This is a company that's already deeply ingrained in the daily workflow of millions, and now it's getting even more powerful. So, what happens next? What does this mean about the future of work? Buckle up, because we're about to unpack this massive development and explore its potential implications. Just picture the possibilities. The perfect synergy, a writing assistant that's also a project management powerhouse. This changes everything. This is a company that is now valued at a crazy $13 billion. Remember that statistic, and they are expanding even further. The implications for the future of work are enormous in that the AI tools are evolving and getting into every aspect of business. One of the most interesting parts of this story is that Rahul Roychowdhury, Grammarly's current CEO, is stepping down. Who's taking the reins? Shishir Mehrotra, the co-founder and CEO of Coda. This guy isn't just some random techie. He's a seasoned veteran with a seriously impressive background. He's been the chief product officer and CTO at YouTube, helping to build that massive platform into the global phenomenon it is today. That's some serious experience. It's a strategic move that signals a clear shift towards a broader focus on AI-driven productivity as a whole. Mehrotra's expertise is going to be invaluable as Grammarly pushes forward with integrating Coda's tech and expanding its services beyond just writing assistants. We're talking about someone that understands the massive scale of a global product and has the experience to help lead this company onto even greater heights. It's a big bet on the future, a bet on integrating various AI tools into a cohesive and truly effective productivity platform. This isn't just about words anymore. It's about the entire workflow. It's really interesting to think about what this means for the workforce. We're talking about a tool that is already used by millions of people daily and tens of thousands of organizations. These are people and companies that are betting on AI to make life easier and boost productivity. This is a significant cultural shift in how companies are thinking about AI and using it to benefit their workers. So, what exactly is Coda, and why is Grammarly so excited about it? Coda is a productivity platform, a real powerhouse for managing projects and workflows. They're known for their incredibly flexible and powerful AI tools, and two main features stand out: Coda Docs and Coda Brain. Coda Docs is kind of like a supercharged Google Docs, but smarter and more integrated. Coda Brain is like an AI brain for your entire organization, helping you find relevant information quickly and even automate tasks using AI. This is going to blow things up. Grammarly's already great at helping you write brilliantly, but now, imagine that combined with Coda's capabilities. Think about an AI assistant that's not just fixing your grammar errors, but also pulling in real-time project updates, key insights from your various applications, and even suggesting next steps in your project. Imagine using one tool that can literally handle all aspects of an assignments process: drafting the email to your team, writing the initial report, suggesting potential problems, pulling real-time data from other applications, all effortlessly and in a single platform. It's a vision of seamless AI-powered productivity and integrated collaboration, and it's truly compelling. This is a vision of the future of work, and it's far more practical than you might imagine. This has been Grammarly's vision all along, and the merger just validates it further. It's going to be interesting. This is a huge deal, and it's worth keeping an eye on how this plays out. This is where things get really interesting. Grammarly isn't just acquiring a writing tool. They're building an entire AI productivity platform. They're aiming to become the go-to solution for not just writing, but for managing projects, streamlining workflows, and making work just plain easier. They aim for a product that has seamless integration into all the apps companies are already using. This is a direct and implicit slap at both Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Mehrotra's comments highlight this fact by emphasizing the potential for an AI assistant to integrate across all the various systems a company already uses. This isn't just about improving writing. It's about changing the way we use AI on the job as a whole. Picture this. You're working on a project. Grammarly's already helping you write brilliant emails and reports. Now, imagine that same AI also pulls up relevant data from your project management software, your CRM, and your other apps, all in real time. It would show potential problems and bottlenecks while offering next steps, all while creating polished and effective communications. It's revolutionary and ambitious. This kind of productivity-boosting potential will make a big impact on businesses. This isn't just about Grammarly having a few more tools. This is a massive shift in their overall strategy and positioning. They are not just a writing companion. They are redefining the way that everyone works. This acquisition has major implications for the competitive landscape. Grammarly's already a major player, a household name in many offices and among many professionals. Now, by absorbing Coda, they're adding a whole new layer of productivity features and becoming a much more formidable competitor to the giants. It's a head-on attack on the big boys and girls, Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Grammarly now aims to be a single productivity suite, a writing assistant, a project manager, a data analyst, all in one seamless platform. It's a bold bet, but if anyone can pull it off, it's Grammarly, especially given Mehrotra's background. This is going to shake things up. We're already seeing a surge of AI-powered productivity tools hitting the market. This acquisition proves it even further. This is a statement, and it's forcing the other companies to up their game. The future of work is AI-powered, and Grammarly is clearly betting big on that fact. This is truly a bold step for the industry, proving that companies are keen to increase their offerings of AI-powered tools to further increase productivity in the workspace. The merger will likely lead to increased innovation in the field, and it might force other companies to accelerate their own AI development efforts to remain competitive. It's likely that we will see increased competition, innovation, and expansion in this space as other software companies try to match the value proposition Grammarly is building. But the Grammarly/Coda news wasn't the only big AI story this week. Let's quickly take a look at some other interesting AI developments. CallRail announced a new feature that allows lead tracking from AI-powered search engines. This is a significant development for marketers as they can measure and optimize their campaigns far more effectively. They could better understand the source of leads and their conversion rates, and use this intelligence for better decision-making. For those of you that don't use CallRail, it's a call tracking tool that measures how many calls you got as a result of a marketing campaign. Then, there was the Cipio/Mutair partnership. Cipio, you may already know, is a voice enablement platform for Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Mutair's voice security features are being incorporated into Cipio's offerings to improve security and fight against robocalls, spam, and spoofed calls. That's pretty important in today's world, and this partnership will be a welcome enhancement for many users. This highlights an important aspect of AI development. It must be secure and ethical, and this partnership points to a new approach and level of maturity in the AI market. Looking ahead, the Grammarly/Coda acquisition is signaling a new era for AI productivity. We might see more mergers and acquisitions in this space as companies try to consolidate their offerings and broaden their reach. We can expect to see an increase in sophisticated AI-powered tools that are integrated into existing workflows, enhancing productivity and efficiency. There will be tools that can not only help us write better, but also manage our projects, analyze our data, and communicate more effectively. That's amazing and truly exciting. And it means we continue to see the potential of AI for both individual users and enterprise organizations. The future of work is being redefined, and AI is playing a major role. Grammarly's move reflects that and sets up a very interesting future for both the company and for the broader tech landscape. This merger highlights the rapid convergence of AI, communication, and productivity, and suggests a future where seamless integration and smart tools become the norm rather than the exception. This is going to be a fascinating space to watch. I can't wait to see what Grammarly builds next. This is a great development for the AI market on the whole.